Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore wallet in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful Bitcoin desktop wallet that gives you full control over your private keys and transaction. And if you already have a 12 word or the 24-word recovery phrase seed phrase from the previous wallet, you can easily restore it inside the Sparrow. Restoring means bringing back your Bitcoin balance, transaction history, your wallet addresses, and as long as you have your seed phrase, your funds can always be recovered. So first what you can do is go to the search bar on the bottom and type down Sparrow and open it. Over here, what you can do is select to this import wallet here. And over here, you can also scan, import your file, import the cold card multisking as I'm going to select to this use 24 words in the top here. And over here, what you can do is simply type down your 24 words here and enter the words in the exact order. Check spelling carefully, separate each word with a space and do not screenshot your seed. And after entering the word correctly, and click over this discover wallet. And that is it. Your wallet will now sync and load your Bitcoin balance and transaction history. If your balance does not appear, double check the script type. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.